love or success?
Love.
Hi, excuse me.
Hello?
Excuse me. Sorry if I bother you or you have. Can we talk just 5 minutes? Just small talk. It's okay. Thank you. Which is most important in your life, love or success?
Love. Because it's a motivation for success, maybe. Example, you have kids and you love them. You want give them a beautiful life, and money is necessary, so you want success. For example.
If you can turn back time, would you go to past or future?
Future. Past is past, and we can change everything. But the past make what we are now. So I think it's not good to change the past.
I have a small gift for you.
Really?
Yes, it's Korea chocolate. And just thank you for sharing your story.